What is the number one biggest challenge for just about every singer? The vocal bridge, or passaggio. You still have that big hole in your voice, or some people call it a big vocal break, or you sound like you have 2 or 3 different voices. Then you haven't mastered your mixed voice and how to navigate through the passaggio. Notice that I never say phrases such as go from your chest voice to your head voice. I find all that does is confuses singers and creates a lot of fear in that part of the voice. Learn how to blend by making small micro changes as you ascend and descend through your range so that the voice shifts gradually. Now, I have an important brand new section on the vocal bridge or passaggio in my audio exercise training program. This is huge. It has my 2 favorite exercises, and you need to live in that part of your voice for a few minutes every day if you want to sound seamless. See the link in the pinned comment and also see my playlist on the vocal bridge.